Good afternoon, welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Today we're going to have a look around the Renault Traffic, which really is a stunning example. It's the Renault Traffic, it's a 2019 Business Plus. It's the 1.6 DCI, 120 brake horsepower. It's the SL27, so it's the short wheelbase, low roof to Euro 6. So it is ULEZ compliant. It's come with a full documented service printout. Lots of extras on the Business Plus. Let's have a walk around now just to show you how clean it is. We'll go into the back first actually, but these are very popular with what we sell now, just with what they come with. So you get a lot of extras on the Renault Traffic, certainly with the Business Plus models. So as you can see, ply lines out in the back, all cleaned to a high standard. Stunning example. It's a bit bright here actually, we've got some sunshine in December. So as you can see, seats, footwell, etc., all the dash, headlining, bulkhead is exactly what you'd hope to see. So as we have a look around from the back here, as you can see, the Business Pluses, they do have a few more colour-coded bits on them than usual. You've got your rear parking sensors in the back. So as you can see that in the bumper here. Again, ply lined out, just looking down the vehicle, just to emphasise how clean it is. It really is a good example. So there's the cheeky cup holders here. As we have a look in the cab, as you can see, touch screen here. It's even got the little plastic still on the screen. So you've got the radio, satellite navigation, media. You can hook your phone up. It's all touch screen. Aircon underneath. 6-speed on this one as well. Comes with the eco option. Really is a good example. Like I say, there are plenty of extras on these. Electric mirrors, electric windows, just to go through. Passenger airbag, heated screen. Yeah, plenty on them. Clean and tidy all round, as you can see. Good example in the cab. So finance is available on this one, as it is on all of our vehicles. They do look well with the colour-coded front bumpers on the Business Pluses. But yes, live on the website shortly. If you do need any more information on this one, it's on the website, or feel free to give us a call, which is the telephone numbers at 01325 488 121, or you can send us an email to info@carltonmotorco.co.uk. Merry Christmas to all, thanks for watching, cheers, bye bye.